Scholarship, let's discuss TCN April 2016 papers. First question is, while steering 105 compass at 2000 hours, emerald light position was given ball 165 compass. The vessel continued on course and speed, and at 2030 emerald light was bearing 205 compass. At 2010 Cristanzo Island light bore 190 compass. Current was estimated to be setting 075. Find ship's position at 2000 hours and 2110 hours. Course and speed made good from 2000 hours and 2110 hours. Rate and drift of current. So in this question we have the CTS, but it is given in the compass. So we use the formula CDMVT and we have need to find true. So variation you get from the top of the question paper, and derivation card number 3 is used. Okay, so emerald light we have the two bearings. So one lighthouse with the two bearings and the second lighthouse with the one bearing, plus we have the CTS and the set. So this is fish triangle question. So let's see how to approach this question on the charts. First we made our all plot our three position line. This is 165 at 100 hours PL. This is 2030 PL 205. This is 2110 PL number 3 190. Okay, so we'll draw this all three black lines is our PL. Now anywhere on the first PL we draw our CTS on till third PL. Okay, so this is green one is our CTS. Okay, now we cut the engine speed between first PL and the second PL, and between third PL to second PL. Duration, this 2000 hours, this is 2030 hours. So this is for 30 minutes, and this is 2032. So this is 40 minutes. 30 plus 10 40. Okay, so it will cut somewhere on C and somewhere on D. From A to C and from B to D. Now from first PL we draw transfer from the C. Okay, and from D we transfer the third PL. This two transfer PL where intersect is become E. Now from C we draw our current. On the third transfer of position we get the F. Now from F we apply the CTS on the third PL. So we get G. Now we join this AG. It will somewhere cut on the current which we apply, and this is become H. Now we join this E and H. It will cut somewhere on the second PL. Like in my figure it is cut here. Okay. Since it is small, you can see on the charts. Now from I we have to again apply the current on the first transfer PL and the third transfer PL, and give the name J and K. And from J we have to transfer our CTS to L, and from K we have to transfer our CTS to M. Now we join this LM. So LM is our course made good and speed made good for 70 minutes. So we need to calculate for 1 hour speed made good, and JK is our rate of current. So this is fish triangle question. I draw this question on the charts and I get this answer. So if you draw and you get the near about this answer, that means you are perfect drawing this. Next question is, from a vessel steering 035 true during evening twilight, following celestial observation was made using DR position. Latitude was given, longitude was given. At 1800 hours, Venus true azimuth 115 intercept 3 miles away. At 1820, Jupiter true azimuth 055 intercept 5 miles towards. If the current was estimating to be setting 120 true at 5 knots, find the ship's position at 1820. From this position, find the true course to steer in order to first sight with pillar light flashing 15 seconds, 31 minutes, 24 miles right ahead in the prevailing visibility of 5 miles. If the current remained the same. So in the first part of question we have the CTS 035 and we have the one celestial observation. We have the DR position. From this DR position we need to find 1820 hours position. We have the two celestial observations. So from there we get the 1820 hour position, and from there we have to find the CTS to first sight with pillar light right ahead. So right ahead with the current. So let's see how we will approach this question on the charts. So first we draw DR position, and from DR position we draw our first celestial observation. Okay, so we get our first PL. Okay, and from 18 from this DR we have to apply the second celestial observation. Okay, now from the anywhere in the first, since we need to find 18, 20, 100 hours position. So one PL we get 18, 20, 100 hours, but first one PL we get 1800 hours. So for 20 minutes we need to apply CTS. So anywhere on the first PL we draw CTS for 20 minutes engine speed, and for current also for 20 minutes. So we get the course made good and speed made good, and we get the estimate position. Now we transfer this first PL to the estimate position. So this is transfer of position line. Now this transfer of position line, where cut the first second position line, this is our 18, 20, 100 hours fix. Now we have the visibility also given, and we get 18, 20 hours fix. Now we calculate GR and LR value with this lighthouse. So you already know how to calculate GR and LR value. GR value, use the formula. LR value, use the graphs. Okay. Then you draw this position circle, and from center you draw this current. And now 18, 20 hours to draw this join this current. Okay. And on this blue line where it will cut the position circle, from there you draw the one line which will meet C, center of lighthouse. So AC is your CTS, BC is your current, and AB is your course made good and speed made good for 1 hour. So hope you understand this question. Let's move on to the third question. At 1000 hours, while sailing 3002, vessel was observed. Sandman light position was given bearing 30 degree on starboard bow and 1025 from this position. Find the compass course to steer past Kulugud. Light position was given 5 miles to off starboard, contracting a current estimate to be set south at 3 knots, and leeway is 3 caused by southerly wind. C was a beam. Okay, this is repeated question. I already explained this question, but I will again explaining you. So this is first what we have. We have the two PL 1000 hours and 1025 hours. How we get PL? CTS plus 30 degree, okay, and CTS plus 90 degree. So 300 plus 30, 330, and this is 030. Because it's more than 360, then you have to subtract 360. So you will get. So this is first PL, this is second PL. On the first PL, you have to draw CTS, then apply the leeway tax. Since the wind is coming from southerly, so this is your CTS, and this, so wind push you. So this is your leeway track for 25 minutes, and then apply current. You will get for 20 minutes course made good and speed made good. Now you, on the estimate position, you will draw your first PL. So this blue your transfer of position line. It will cut somewhere on the second position line. From there you have to pass 5 miles off to this lighthouse. So you draw 5 miles south and then join this. This is become your course made good and speed made good. Now it's become contracting method. Apply current for 1 hour and cut engine speed on the course made good line. So this is become your leeway track. Less than 3 is your CTS. Okay, whatever you get leeway track, measure, and less than 3 you draw one small like this, you will get CTS. Hope you understand these 3 questions. If you have